Prophecy, August 7, 2012. The Lord reveals flood-covered homes in Jamaica.
Revelation, November 8th, 2012, at 2:39 a.m. Eastern Time. In a troubling vision of this early morning, the waters is seen closing in on a building. An individual considers climbing on top of it, but decided to run instead. Others are seen running as well. It is unclear as to whether they are running from the waters or from other people. Interpretation: another tsunami-like flooding looms in the Caribbean and Americas.
November 10th, 2012. Rains came pouring down in Jamaica, causing massive floodings as it washed an entire community with heavy waters. The rain painted a frightening picture of the effects of the flooding, which made landfall only a week after Hurricane Sandy ravaged the island. The president of the St. Mary Chamber of Commerce stated that the hurricane was bad enough, but this is worse than the hurricane because the entire town of Port Maria was washed through. It was like a river going through the town. Beds and furniture and things from people's homes could be seen flowing through the town, carried by severe floodings. Some had to be rescued by firefighters. Many civilians were trapped inside supermarkets. Homes and businesses flooded through and through. Families now face mud-filled homes. Some reported losing everything.
The worst I've seen it.
The infrastructural damage caused by a stationary front now east of Jamaica is said to be greater than that caused by Hurricane Sandy.
This one is about 3 times the magnitude of Sandy.